Morning YouTubers, this is Kim, Cajun Goldwing Rider. Today we're going to be changing out the windshield. I'm not going back with a new one, but we're going to put a used one off of a 2017 brand new motorcycle that I got from a dealership. Basically purchased the bike and removed the windshield to put another windshield right off at the purchase. So I ended up buying it for a very good price, and I'm also going to be installing my new air deflectors. It's basically, when I finish, it should look just like what I have on it right at this moment. So hope you join me. My little setup before we start. I have the windshield sitting right here with the air deflectors. Here's the Cajun Goldwing. So basically what we'll be doing is removing this whole windshield. I'm not going to go, like I said, through full details of removing. I'll show some of it. There's plenty of videos out there. I will definitely be showing you how I mount the deflectors on the windshield. So here we go. All right, first thing we're gonna do is unlock the windshield. I will be wearing my glasses sometimes. Can't see without them. I can see the dry without them, but for close. And I am remembering to put a rag on here. Alright. A few creatures in here. After all those years, not too bad. Didn't have too many. Okay, we'll need an Allen wrench to unscrew this. I really believe this. I'll undo these two right here, and the whole thing should come off. And these are also Allen wrenches. And the reason why I took these off, these aside, because I'm going to use this as my marker. I'm going to put this windshield on top of the new windshield to mark it before I drill it. I think the new ones do come with instructions with a diagram. I'm going to open them in a second and we're going to see for sure.
Alright folks, what I'm going to try to do is we're going to line it up, put windshields, and we're going to mark it. They do have directions of where to make the holes and stuff, which I'm going to still use. But this is just a double check, you know, make sure I'm close. And if you're a little off, there are some adjustments on the hinges themselves. So don't get scared. You don't want to make 1,000 holes. You want to make just the holes that are required. I'll put some blue tape on the edge. That way I don't scratch the glass. And it's not so much of the pencil. It's more of the drill. See where I marked them at? I got it on this side. The main thing is when you put it on, if you happen to do it that way, I don't know if you will or not, but most people won't. The windshield has a curve in it, so you have to push it. You have to make sure you just line up with the edge. Alright, so we just basically reverse what we just did. Put it all back together. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and drill our holes. Got them marked. Hopefully we won't have no problems. Get the stickers lined up, ready to put on new stickers on the front. See what kind of temperature it is before I do that. Be right back. Alright folks, I'm going to put the sticker on this morning on the front windshield. It's a little warmer this morning. What we're going to do first, I kind of got to mark of my corners about where they're going to sit. This sticker you're about to move it. We're going to put a little soap and water right on the front of that windshield, and we'll lay the sticker on and we'll squeeze you out. Basically the water and the soap. A little rag here. I'd rather use a sponge, but I didn't have any, so I'm going to use this towel. It's a brand new rag, so just to get a little on there. Not have to put a whole lot. It'll never dry. So just enough to get it to slide if you need to move the sticker. Alright, we can go ahead and stick the sticker on. Now this particular sticker, you can see it has two sides. See, I have this corner already made. I might need a little bit more soap. Basically what I'm doing is using the top of the sticker. That's kind of, and I did straighten out the windshield. Be sure I measured the corners, because this, you know, the windshield can shift a little bit when you're locking it in place. Make sure the eagle is center of this line. That's basically my center mark. I try to work the elbows out as much as I can by hand first, going from the center on out. Now I'll take a tape measure and I'm going to go over all my measurements just to kind of get as close as possible. We're going to pass a squeegee on it. Like I said, it's still kind of cold this morning to be doing this. So you're probably gonna have problems getting the sticker off of the back. It's got to almost kind of dry to the glass before you can start pulling the sticker. You have to let it just dry, slow. I'm going to take a rag, just kind of tap on, make sure I get all as much water as I can all of it. That makes it hard to stick.
Alright folks, here's the finished product. Like I said, this is a brand new refurbished windshield. Basically it was off of a 1917 bike, about 200 miles on the bike. Bought it straight from a dealership. Apparently when the bike was purchased, the person who purchased it wanted a different windshield, maybe a taller windshield or whatever. And I just happened to put it on eBay and I happened to bid on it and bought it. And I used my own vent from the old windshield. And I had another set of air deflector, Honda air deflectors, which is a stock item. I mean, not a stock item. It's a Honda item. And so I put that back on, and I ordered another sticker, basically like I had another windshield because I liked it so much. And we just finished putting it on. So basically, this is the finished product. Alright folks, here's the Cajun Goldwing with a brand new windshield and air deflectors and front eagle sticker. Alright folks, this is Kim, Cajun Goldwing Rider, wishing you a blessed day and asking you please to subscribe to this channel and let's make it grow, and hopefully give you some real good videos and good tips in the future, and hope you'd like to come along for the ride. I appreciate y'all.